In this video, I will show you how to fix Meta AI is not showing on your WhatsApp account. So we have three steps. The first step, for example, we have WhatsApp right here, and I'll click on the plus icon on the right top corner. As you see, I don't have AI, Meta AI. So what I will do is I will click back and I will open App Store if you have iPhone, and Google Play if you have Android, the same process. Search for WhatsApp, and after that we show up to you WhatsApp Messenger, and tap on update from here, and after you update it, tap on open and see if you have Meta AI from here. Click on the plus icon on the right top corner and we show up to you right here. Under the new contact we show up to you new Meta AI, and tap on it and you can use it. So this is the first step. On the second step, you need to click on the settings icon on the right down corner and the bottom. Scroll down all the way to the end and tap on help and click on help center. Scroll down all the way to the end and tap on contact support, and right here tell WhatsApp your problem and they will find a solution for you. Tell them why you don't have Meta AI, and after that they will respond to you. From here they said we will respond to you in WhatsApp chat, which is they will respond right here. I will show you where, right here in the chats. And this is the second method. On the third step, maybe this is not available in your country or in your mobile device. So there is only limited countries this is available in, so you need to wait until this is available in your country. So this is the third step, and pretty much that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.